Hello my dear children, welcome back to our journal awareness class. So last video we have learned about summer season. So in this video we are going to learn about rainy season. So we experience 4 seasons in our country, that is summer, rainy, winter and spring. So today we are going to start with the rainy season. Let us start. We use umbrella, we enjoy with paper boat and we play in muddy puddles. Here comes the rainy waves. Raincoat blouses, gumboots and also we use umbrella to protect ourselves. So children open page number 58, that is rainy season. I want you all to read aloud. When the clouds thunder, pitter patter comes the rain. Take out the umbrellas and coats. Race paper boats down the lane. Frogs and puddles. Everywhere, everywhere. Jump and splash the water here and there. Read aloud the words raincoat, paper boat, raindrops, clouds, umbrella, gumboot, puddle. Turn to next page. Let us see the weather we experience during rainy season. It is cloudy, it is stormy, it is rainy, it is windy. Food we like in rainy season: jambolan plums, guava, corn cobs, gooseberry, hot milk, hot soup, pakoda. We called it also as a filters. Things we use in rainy season: raincoat, umbrella, gumboots, fan, air conditioner. So children, here the smileys with the umbrella. I hope you all have learned about rainy season. Meet you all in the next season. Till then, bye bye.